In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple projects in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to quickly clean up your project library and remove several projects at once, this process is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open DaVinci Resolve and look toward the bottom right area of the interface. From here, click the Home button. This will take you out of the current editing workspace and bring you back to the main project library area, which is where all of your saved projects are displayed. Once you're in the project library, take a moment to locate the projects you want to remove. This is important because deleting projects is something you'll want to do carefully. Make sure you're selecting only the ones you no longer need before moving forward. Now, to select multiple projects, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on the projects you'd like to delete. This allows you to highlight more than one project so you can manage them all at the same time instead of deleting them one by one. As you click, you should see the selected projects become highlighted, which confirms that they've been included in your selection. After you've selected all the projects you want to remove, right-click on one of the highlighted projects. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, choose Delete. DaVinci Resolve will then remove the selected projects. And that's it. That's how you delete multiple projects in DaVinci Resolve. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to double-check your selection before clicking Delete, especially if you have projects with similar names. Taking an extra second here can help you avoid removing something important by mistake. If you're organizing your workspace or clearing out old test files, this method is a fast and efficient way to do it. So whenever you need to delete several projects at once, just head to the home screen, use Shift to select the projects you want, right-click and choose Delete. It's a straightforward process and can save you a lot of time when managing your project library.